Hi, South Florida. I'm Abel Polo, owner of Comfortly Air Conditioning, your local AC repair, replacement, and maintenance contractor. I know Florida weather can be a bit uncomfortable, and that's exactly when your AC fails you and your comfort goes poof. I've sweated through enough t-shirts to start a car wash. And that's why I build Comfortly, because at Comfortly, comfort is not a luxury. It is our promise to you. Promise to keep your home cool, allergies away, cost low, comfort high. Repair in a flash, installs done right, price fair, and right now you can get a new AC at 0% finance, so your wallet stays comfortably as your home. Call me today if you have any troubles with your residential or commercial AC unit. We have a special of $79 maintenance going on right now. Local, reliable, and comfortable to work with. With over 1,600 five-star Google reviews, call us today if you don't want to start your own car wash.
It's gonna get personal.